Have you ever wondered if nature sometimes feels like it came from another planet? On Earth, there are creatures so strange, so unbelievable, and so unique that it's hard to believe they are actually real animals. From microscopic beings that can survive in space, to deep-sea creatures with bizarre and almost unreal shapes. Today you are about to discover the 10 strangest animals on the planet. Get ready, because some of these animals don't just look unusual. They completely challenge what we know about life itself. And before we start, if you love nature mysteries, amazing animals, and unbelievable facts, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more incredible videos like this. Number 10. The axolotl. The axolotl is a unique amphibian native to the canals of Xochimilco in Mexico. Unlike most amphibians, it never completes metamorphosis, meaning it keeps its larval features throughout its entire life. Its external gills give it a strange alien-like appearance. What makes it even more incredible is its ability to regenerate. It can rebuild entire limbs, parts of its heart, and even brain tissue without scarring. For this reason, it is widely studied in modern science. One of the most fascinating aspects of the axolotl is its regeneration system. Unlike humans, who heal wounds with scar tissue, the axolotl can perfectly reconstruct damaged or lost body parts. If it loses a limb, it doesn't just grow something similar. It regenerates the exact structure, including bones, muscles, nerves, and skin, fully functional and identical to the original. Scientists have also observed that it can repair parts of vital organs such as the heart and brain while maintaining full function. Number 9. The blobfish lives in the deep ocean near the coasts of Australia and New Zealand, at depths of over 600 meters. Its gelatinous appearance is not its natural shape. It only looks like that when brought to the surface due to pressure changes. In its natural habitat, it is a more normal-looking fish adapted to extreme deep-sea pressure, where there is almost no light or food. Another important adaptation is its body density. The blobfish is slightly less dense than water, which allows it to hover just above the ocean floor without expending energy. This is why it doesn't need a strong skeleton or powerful fins. Despite its reputation, the blobfish does not naturally look ugly or melting. That appearance comes from decompression. When it is pulled to the surface, its body is designed to function only under high pressure, and without it, the structure collapses. Number 8. Narwhal. The narwhal is known as the unicorn of the sea. It lives in the cold Arctic waters, especially around Canada and Greenland. Its spiral tusk can grow several meters long and is actually an overgrown tooth. This tusk is full of nerve endings and allows the narwhal to detect changes in temperature, pressure, and salinity in the water, helping it survive in extreme conditions. Number 7. Ii. The ii is a nocturnal primate that lives only in Madagascar. It has huge eyes, sensitive ears, and a long middle finger used to tap on wood and detect insects hidden inside. For many years, it was misunderstood and associated with superstition, which led to its persecution in some areas. Number 6. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon lives along the southern coast of Australia. Its body is covered with leaf-like appendages that allow it to perfectly camouflage among seaweed and kelp. Despite its dragon-like appearance, it is closely related to the seahorse. It moves slowly using nearly invisible fins, making it look more like a floating plant than an animal. Number 5. Star-nosed mole. This small mammal lives in wet regions of United States and Canada. Its star-shaped nose has 22 extremely sensitive tentacles that help it detect prey in milliseconds. It is considered one of the fastest touch-processing animals in the world, capable of identifying and eating prey in less than a quarter of a second. Number 4. Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus lives in the deep ocean, at depths of over 3,000 to 4,000 meters. Its fins resemble ears, which is how it got its name from the Disney character Dumbo. Unlike most octopuses, it does not move quickly. Instead, it slowly floats through the deep sea where pressure is extreme and sunlight never reaches. Number 3. Saiga. The saiga is one of the most unusual antelopes on Earth, instantly recognizable thanks to its oversized, flexible nose. It lives mainly in the vast steppes and semi-deserts of Kazakhstan and parts of Russia, where it forms large migratory herds that can travel long distances in search of food and safer conditions. Its strange nose is not just for appearance, it is a powerful survival tool. It works like a natural air filter, trapping dust during hot summers and warming freezing air during harsh winters. This adaptation allows the saiga to survive in environments with extreme temperature changes, from scorching heat to freezing blizzards. The saiga is also a very fast and fragile species in terms of survival. It can run at high speeds to escape predators, but its population has suffered heavily in recent decades due to poaching, habitat loss, and disease outbreaks. Conservation efforts are now critical to prevent this ancient Ice Age survivor from disappearing. Clapperboard extra fact. During migration, saiga herds can sometimes include thousands of individuals moving together across the steppe, creating one of the most impressive wildlife scenes in Central Asia. Number 2. Red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish is one of the most bizarre-looking fish in the ocean. It lives mainly around the shallow coastal waters of the Galapagos Islands, where it stays close to sandy or rocky seabeds instead of open water. Its most striking feature is, of course, its bright red lips, which make it look almost like it has been painted. Unlike most fish, the red-lipped batfish is not a strong swimmer. Instead of swimming efficiently through the water, it uses its modified fins to walk along the ocean floor. This unusual movement gives it a strange, almost alien-like appearance as it slowly moves across the seabed searching for food. As it grows, its body shape also changes significantly. Juveniles are more adapted for swimming, while adults become more benthic, meaning they spend most of their time on the ocean floor. This transformation is part of what makes the species so unique among marine life. Extra fact. Scientists believe the bright red lips may play a role in species recognition during mating, helping individuals identify each other in the dim underwater environment. Number 1. Tardigrade. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is widely considered the most resilient animal on Earth. These microscopic creatures are found almost everywhere on the planet, from moss and soil to glaciers, mountains, and deep-sea environments. Despite being less than 1 millimeter in size, they have developed survival abilities that seem almost impossible for any living organism. What makes tardigrades truly extraordinary is their ability to survive extreme conditions that would kill nearly all other life forms. They can withstand freezing temperatures close to absolute zero, extreme heat above 150 degrees Celsius, crushing pressure in deep oceans, intense radiation, and even the vacuum of outer space. This makes them one of the few known animals capable of surviving exposure to space for short periods. Their survival secret lies in a state called cryptobiosis. When conditions become dangerous, the tardigrade removes almost all water from its body and shuts down its metabolism to near zero. In this suspended animation state, it can survive for years or even decades until conditions become favorable again. Scientists are extremely interested in tardigrades because their biological mechanisms could help improve medicine,